Welcome to Sree Latha Organic Farming. Let us see what are all the micronutrients required. 9 trace elements, which are also called micronutrients. They are required in very minute quantities, but they are critical for health and growth. Moreover, productivity. Even if all nutrients are sufficiently available and one nutrient is deficient, the yield is restricted there. That's why micronutrients are also very important. If organic matter is regularly applied, wood ash, seaweed extracts are also applied, then there may not be chances of micronutrient deficiencies in plants. But however, if deficiencies occur, those are to be corrected. Zinc. Zinc deficiency results in small yellow and mottled leaves with scattered dead spots. Rectification. Zinc deficiency may occur in acidic or alkaline soils. Manures and compost correct zinc deficiency. Zinc solubilizing bacteria also very important to make available the zinc to the plants. Boron. It plays very key role in cell division, growth, flowering, fruiting, and many more activities like even the taste of the fruits are also because of boron. We think in some soils fruits are very tasty, in some soils less tasty. The taste is added due to the boron also many times. So boron deficiency leads to the slow and irregular growth of the plants. Plants becomes dwarf and bushy like potash deficiency. And plant tips die and side branches grow so that the plants appears uh, bushy, dwarf and bushy because tips are dying and side branches are growing more. Sometimes it may also cause black heart disease. Black heart may be caused by phosphorus or potassium deficiency also. But black heart, by seeing black heart, we cannot say that it is because of the boron deficiency. Rectification. Application of small quantity of boron uniformly to the soil is very important because excess boron is also harmful to the plants. Toxic. If boron is excess, plants they appear in stunted growth and oozes gum. Liquid seaweed or several forms of boron like solbor, fertibor, biomin boron are permitted in the organic form. Manganese. Chlorosis is the first symptom of manganese. Just like the nitrogen and other elements, chlorosis is the first symptom. Leaves changes to gold color with white dead areas are turning to light green with yellowing away from main veins or other suspicious symptoms. Yellowing away from the main vein is the deficiency of manganese. Anyhow, plant becomes dwarf and blossoms and fruits are less. Rectification. Manganese required by the crop at an optimum pH. First, pH is to be corrected. Plants can take manganese when pH is either neutral or towards acidic. Molybdenum is different. Molybdenum plants can take at neutral or alkaline pH. But manganese can be taken by the plants at acidic or neutral pH. We have to check along with the deficiency symptoms the pH also. pH is to be corrected. If the soil is alkaline, plants cannot absorb manganese. The addition of crop residues like carrot tips and leaf mold, these are all general corrections. Iron. Iron is very important in the chlorophyll synthesis. Deficiency, you all know, chlorosis is the major deficiency symptom, and stunted growth. Rectification, addition of organic manures. If iron absorption is limited by excess lime or phosphate, organic matter additions converts insoluble iron to organic chelates. So more and more addition of the organic matter, farm waste, green sand and seaweed are the recommendations. Green sand and seaweed helps a lot. Copper. Copper is very important catalyst for plant respiration and iron usage. Due to copper deficiency, stem tips shows wilting symptom called wither tip, and after watering also the plants they don't recover, they don't revive if it is deficient, copper is deficient. Wither tip is a very typical symptom of copper deficiency. Even in nematodes attack also, even after irrigation, plants will not recover, but the deficiency symptoms are not different. There you will not see wither tip. Rectification, foliar spray of seaweed and well decomposed organic matter. Molybdenum. Molybdenum is essential for the nitrogen fixation by rhizobium bacteria. Deficiency symptom, it affects nitrogen absorption because molybdenum is essential for nitrogen absorption. So whatever deficiency symptoms of nitrogen, even the same we can consider as molybdenum deficiency symptoms. In typical molybdenum deficiency, midrib becomes thick and leaf portion between veins doesn't develop properly, leading to whiptail. That is long leaves. Whiptail is nothing but it is long leaves. Mostly in Brassicaceae family plants like cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, etc. They express this deficiency of molybdenum. Rectification, as I told to you, raising and neutralizing the soil pH. Acidic soils express molybdenum deficiency. That's why if the soil is acidic, pH is to be raised. So, green manure crops like lucerne and other legumes adds molybdenum to the soil. Chlorine, cobalt. Cobalt is very important in the vitamin B12 synthesis. That's why cobalt deficiency is to be corrected. And even nitrogen fixing bacteria are associated with the cobalt. Nickel deficiency, nowadays it is appearing in the plants. These are to be covered with the application of proper organic matter. So with this, I am completing the nutrition supply to the plants in organic farming. Signing off. Thank you, Sree Latha.